Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So tonight I'm going to do a breakdown on BTC USD. I'm going to do a pre-market analysis on BTC USD. So I'm going to start on the yearly time frame. On the yearly time frame, we can see that BTC USD has been bullish for the last 3 years. Right now we can see that price is retracing to this fair value gap. We can see that price came and broke this structure aggressively, meaning that buyers are in control of the market. As you can see, we had a similar thing that happened a couple of years back. During 2022, we saw that BTC USD did short and rebalanced this fair value gap. Then we had this bull run. So I'm expecting another bull run very soon. So on the yearly time frame, that's what we have. When you go to the 6 months time frame, you can see that we have the nearest area of liquidity that we are having is this candle overlap on the 6 months time frame. And as you can see, we had this open close on the 6 months time frame. On the 3 months time frame, you can see that we had our structure right here. We had a break and close above that resistance level. Price came back, retested. Retested this support level. So this is the last structure that we are having right now. And we saw on the 6 months it was a candle overlap. So when you go to the 3 month time frame, you can see it's a whole single area structure, and we also had a structure above. So this is a double area with direct consumption of liquidity, because you can see that the nature of retracement was aggressive. Let's go to as you can see on the monthly time frame, you can see that we had a double area with direct liquidity consumption. The nature of retracement was direct consumption of liquidity. The nature of retracement was aggressive. So you have something like this. It's a double area. The nature of retracement had high volume candles. So I'm expecting something like this to happen, and then I'm expecting a structure like these to play out on the 3 months time frame. As you can see, price came back and did what? Rebalanced 50% and reacted from that level. And as you can see, the nature of break here, you can see that this is a candle liquidity. This candle tried to break this resistance level but lacks sufficient liquidity. The other candle confirmed that we are bullish by closing above, and the low of the candle liquidity had not been taken out. So this is an area where I'm going to be looking at on the monthly time frame, so that I can buy and target the external range liquidity. So this one can be a very nice swing trade of BTC USD. You can hold it until it comes to print the highest highs. Let's go on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, the last structure that we had is this one. Did price retrace 50%? No. The nature of breakout, price did break with one clear move, so price had to come back to mitigate at least 50% of this area, and then we buy. So I'm going to refine my entry to there. So I'm not going to refine this entry more. Yeah, so this is an area whereby I'm going to be very keen. I'm going to be very keen on this area, so I'm going to react once price gives us the first. We're going to enter on the second liquidation. We're going to enter on the second liquidation on maybe daily time frame or 1 hour time frame. When you see price come inside this area and price gives us a shift, we're going to wait for the first bullish liquidation. Price gives us a shift, we're going to wait for the first bullish liquidation, and then we're going to enter on the second liquidation on the daily or 4 hour. So when it also comes to the COT, I was looking also on the COT. The COT report on BTC USD is telling us that price as you can see the COT report, we can see that the commercials are placing net long positions. So any day from next week, we are going to be expecting bullish liquidations on BTC USD. Yeah, so that's, if you find this content insightful, you can consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Like the video and subscribe to the channel so that we can reach more audience. Yeah, so see you on the next video.